on YouTube. Now, today is the day we can finally get a coolant flush on the Mustang, because this thing has not gotten a coolant flush in a long time, and I mean a long time, and it needs it really bad. This thing has been sitting in the garage for quite a while now. I haven't really touched it, I haven't really messed with it, I haven't really done anything with it, and it really needs work done. The stuff that need done to it, it's got a little bit of a misfire, but I'm pretty sure that's from having old spark plugs and coils or ignition coils. But today we're gonna do a coolant flush. Thankfully though, I'm able to do it at my work that I can go to and use the lifts there when I'm off, so that'd be nice. I've never done a coolant flush before, let alone on a Mustang. I've watched a couple of videos on how to do it, but I guess we'll see how that goes. I'll record as much as I can, but I don't know if they allow cameras in my shop, so I can only do so much, you know? But I'll pull this thing out for the first time in a while and try to show you how bad the coolant is. Let's hope I can get a good cold start on this, but recently they haven't been too good because I haven't been driving it much. But let's see. Right, here she is finally out of the garage. It's been a while since I've seen it out of the garage, and dang, looks good, but it is stupid dirty. Look at all this. Can't really tell on camera, but it is dirty. Look at that. It's been sitting there for a while. Now, let's go ahead and pop the hood so I can show you guys how bad this coolant needs flushed and changed. It is so bad. Where is it at? There you go. Gotta put this thing up. Give me a second. Let's take a look on how bad this is. I hope this isn't gonna... Alright, we're good. Look how bad this is. This needs flushed. So...
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
Bad. And it's super low. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just get it flushed, get it all fixed, so it can actually run nicely. Huge work in progress with this thing. A lot of trial and error. I had other stuff before. This thing was a pain in my butt to fix. Started not turning on every now and then I figured out it was turnable. But everything aside, today we are getting this coolant flush. Gonna be nice. Gonna get it driving over there. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're on our way over there now. I'm going in before my shift starts today, so hopefully I can get finished before my shift starts. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go. We are finally here at my work, and we're about to get this done. I'll try and record as much as I can, but like I said, I don't know if they allow it or not. But yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It's all going through. All right, so I'm back home from my work, and we got a terrible misfire on the way home. Really bad misfire. Doesn't sound good. I'm really hoping it's just one of the coil packs, because I already have spark plugs for this thing. I'm just really hoping it's nothing worse. And the car is just going thump, 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 thump. Real bad. Real bad. It's gonna need probably new coils, if I'm being honest. So got a couple problems. All right, I really don't know what I'm gonna do about this misfire now, but I mean, while we're here, might as well show you the coolant that has actually looks good now, because we got the coolant fix, which was this video was supposed to be about, but stuff happens. and it sucks. I was really trying to hold out on buying coils right now because I'm gonna be really low on money. But I guess that's coming soon. Got my flashlight here, but look, looks a lot better now, so it's not completely empty. And it's pretty full. So now the car actually can breathe, I guess, stay normal temperature. Now, we got a misfire problem, which is just fantastic. Well, as you saw in the last clip, they are now ordered. Those coils, got the MSD2 valve coil pack. Hopefully that fixes this misfire, because if not, this is going to be a very difficult problem. I already got a while ago the spark plugs that I need. Motorcraft. I really hope this fixes it, because this thing does not need to be sitting in the garage too much longer. It's about time it needs to get going. This really wasn't the plan for this video, but stuff happens, man. Stuff happens. Hopefully everything works out, but next video is going to be the coils, installing coils and spark plugs. So that's going to be pretty fun. I'm just happy we got the coolant good, because that was needed very bad. But yeah, like, subscribe, put the bell on so you're notified when I upload. Share. Trying to get this off the ground, you know, get somewhere with this, so my mom doesn't think I'm a disappointment. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you around. Bye.